How to sort data in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to sort your data from largest to smallest or smallest to largest in your Excel? Then don't worry, I'll help you out. Let's dive right in. Open up your Excel document and then you just need to just select the cells that you want sorted, and on the top right of the home section you'll find sort and filter. Tap on it and then tap on sort to smallest to largest if you want it, or you can also sort it from largest to smallest, and then tap on sort. And there you go. The data has been sorted in just few seconds. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.